Welcome to Fridge Cam. We are sorted food.
Today it's a London's best, you know the drill. 3 of us, 3 price points. Today, pizza.
Oh, that is a great looking crust. Pizza!
I want to be controversial.
Surprise, surprise, Shoreditch end of town. Jade, Stephanie and Dimmy, you all suggested on Twitter, I'm going to Homeslice. So they do pizza by the slice, or they also do their big round. So I'm going to get one of those, but 50-50 flavour, because I can't make up my mind. I'm going to sit on the fence.
That must be so.
So I've chosen to split mine in half. Half is a tomato base with kimchi, a porcini cream and basil. And the other half is a butternut squash puree. It's got calvanero, goat's cheese, and it's finished with a nigella crumb. And I went for a Jamie-sized portion.
Those are 2 very unusual pizza flavourings. I've been to Homeslice before and had a goat pizza and it was bloody brilliant. It was great.
I mean, you've instantly alienated 50% of our audience.
I'm seeing 2 controversial things here.
Let me tell you about my place. It's Pizza Union. You guys suggested it, and I think it's a great choice because it is super cheap. I know what I'm getting.
Yeah.
I love this, but I know people hate it. Ham and pineapple. I don't know how they're going to compete with that speed and that price.
That might be the thinnest pizza crust I've ever seen.
Like you said, black bits, best bit of the pizza crust. I'm guessing it's going to be super crispy.
Boys, shall we have a real Italian pizza?
That's a pizza.
That looks so great.
So we're in Shoreditch, which is one of the most creative and foodie parts of London. We've come to Pizza Pilgrims, and I think they do the best pizza in London. So if my pizza is like full-on traditional Neapolitan style pizza, should we just admit that this one is unlikely to make it back to the studio in one piece, and we should order a second one just in case on the way back this happens to, I don't know, encounter a terrible accident. Might have also ordered something as a little dessert. So I got 2 of the surprises, one to take back to the studio and show the boys, and another one, test to make sure that it's okay to take back. Oh no. Can we just eat a pizza now?
Dig in.
That takes you on a journey. That takes you from Italy to South Korea.
I love the fact that the wood fire gives it a real char and a crisp.
I love how sweet it is until you swallow it, and then suddenly you get that tang from the kimchi. It's not like a real heat, like a chili kick, but it has just got that really nice tang to it. Kimchi on a pizza.
I wanted to try it. Ironically, this is the one that was actually my favourite. It's got the goat's cheese on it. It's got the sweetness of the butternut, but with the black onion seeds and a slight spiced curried puree on the base. It's kind of almost Indian stew, but with goat's cheese and Italian cabbage. It's another wacky fusion that's delicious.
That is a strong goat's cheese.
It's nice.
It's really good. It's really good.
You seem nervous about ours because you're sweating quite profusely.
No,
so shall we move
that's
on?
something to do with kimchi.
This is from Pizza Union.
Right off the bat, I love that you've gone for ham and pineapple. It makes me so happy that you've done it. That crust is so thin, it's brilliant. The bit of char, there's black pepper sprinkled over the top. It's like perfectly seasoned.
So these guys actually pre-cook their bases before they go in the oven. So it is ridiculously fast. Like, you are paying and then you're basically coming to a ready-made pizza a minute later.
I don't think the Italians would have had pineapple, but what the Italians love is a really, really thin, crisp base.
I'm so glad that you've spoken about what the Italians love when it comes to pizza. So I've gone classic Italian. This is Pizza Pilgrims. This is the classic Neapolitan style pizza.
Can we taste it? Another great looking base.
I like that the nduja makes it really oily as well. That's the one that I just nailed the slice. Like, I didn't even realise it was going.
Yeah.
And it's just disappeared.
Now I know exactly how to finish this off.
Why would anyone buy a sweet pizza?
I haven't.
What? That's icing sugar.
It's a calzone, not a pizza.
Oh, well.
When someone offers you the opportunity to get a Mars bar calzone, you don't say no.
What have you done?
Let's talk moolah. Pizza Pilgrims, proper Italian pizza. How much do you reckon?
So for that one, I'm going to say 9 quid.
I would say, yeah, 10 to 12 quid.
£9.25.
I'd definitely pay £9.25 for that. It's just cheap ingredients put together really well. I stuck to a single flavour.
I'd have gone for a different topping, but that probably doesn't affect the price a huge amount.
Comparison to this, to that, £9.25. I'm gonna put my neck out and say £7.
£6.95.
You said £6.95. He said £7 and you said £6. That's such an on the fence answer.
It's less than 7, but not by a lot.
This, because ham and pineapple is the best topping, was £5.50.
That's incredible value.
I know, I don't actually know how they do that. Great pizza for that price.
What about this monster?
Well, I mean, that's obviously already more expensive because it's huge.
And you've got like mental toppings on
Weird
it.
and wonderful, yeah.
Yeah.
As I said, I've had goat, therefore I know exactly how much it is.
Okay.
So have you ever
I've
had
not.
Homeslice?
I've not
So I'll leave
been
it
to
to you to
Homeslice.
guess.
£16 and 42 pence.
Well, you already know, it is a little bit more than that. It works out at £1 per inch, it's £20. And I don't want to bring maths into it, but hey, area of a pizza makes this 3 times as much pizza as these two.
Literally couldn't care less about what you just said. I mean,
Therefore, these are much better value because I'd still be happy with that.
so look, conclusion time. Nduja, ham and pineapple. Which one?
Kimchi.
A mixture.
We all came around this table thinking that ours is London's best pizza. Have you changed your mind having seen the other two?
They're all so different.
They all do different things. What we have learned is that London is great for wood fire cooked, decent base pizza, and then you choose what goes on top, kind of depending. Would I change my mind? I want to go back and try the other weird flavours of this one.
If I had a favourite, I'd tell you, but I think they all do different jobs.
I'm not sitting on the fence like these two. London's best pizza.
Don't fence me in with him.
Well, get off the fence.
Fine, Dan's the best.
It's also the most expensive at the table.
Oh, because maths, yeah.
Thank you to everyone who commented on Twitter and Facebook and recommended pizza places for us to go, especially you who recommended Pizza Hut or Domino's. I know where you live. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Give the video a like if you liked it, and please comment down below and let us know what should we be looking for next. Such a strong category.
How did you think these guys did? Give us a like if you thought we did a good job.
Or dislike if you thought we did a very good job.
Either way, comment down below with some more things that we can explore in and around London.
Oh, talking about exploring things, shall we explore a dad joke of the week?
I would love it.
Okay, great. Now, how do you tell how heavy a chili pepper is?
I do not know.
You give it away, you give it away, you give it away now. Give it away, you give it away, you give it away. I told you you'd like that one.
I really did like that one.